Today we will discuss refractometry. So refractometer we all we known for the experiment in BSc. So for measuring the refractive index we use the refractometer instrument. So for refractive index it is very important for determining the purity and concentration of ingredient. So for purity, many pharmaceutical industries and healthcare industry we use this instrument for detect the purity of medicine, its raw material, semi-finished material and finished product. Or also we use this instrument in lubricating oil, sugar, jams, jelly, syrup and sugarcane industries for determination concentration of sugar in sugar cane, or what is refined sugar or invert sugar. So in the paint industries we measure generally glue, polymer products and plastic industries. So in all various type of industries there is a requirements of refractometer instrument. So refractometer instrument is very useful for today's industries. So we measure the refractive index by refractometry instrument. So when a light refractive index, it is the when a light is pass. So when a light is pass from one medium to another, it suffers refraction, and that is the change of direction. So if light is passed from one medium, here one medium is air medium or vacuum and second is water medium. So when a light is passed from this medium, there is some refraction of light on this medium. So here this is the incidence light and this is the refraction light. So here when this ray of light which was pass to this medium, that is the condensed medium or liquid dense medium, it changes its direction and the angle is different. So more dense medium, the angle is less than the air medium. So the refractive index, it is denoted by N. So this is the sign of refractive index, NR, refractive index. So it is the ratio of angle of one medium to the ratio of angle of other medium. So the sine theta is divided by sine theta this another medium. So the refractive index, it is defined as the ratio of velocity of light in air. So this is the velocity of light in air divided by velocity of light in liquid medium. So this is the refractive index. So refractive index NR is equal to the velocity of light in air divided by velocity of liquid. So we does not measures the length of light, so we measures the angle. So from the measurements of the angle theta, we know the refractive index. So refractive index, it is the ratio of velocity of light. So velocity in air medium and velocity of liquid medium of that light. So we cannot measure the velocity of light rays. So we measure the angle theta. So in a refractometer instrument, we measure the angle. So next point, factor affecting refractive index. When we use the instrument, we know what is the factor affect for the change in the result. So for removing error, there are mainly two factors very important: temperature and density. So the refractive index for a given medium depends on two variable factors. That is, first, density. When the density is high, the medium changes with temperature. So the density is high, so the wavelength is changed, the speed of light is changed. So refractive index, it is the velocity of light in air medium divided by velocity of light in denser medium. So if the higher density, there is a velocity of speed of light is changed. So it is most important for we kept a constant density for the instrument, for the solution. Suppose first solution we take, it is density 1.000, and second solution density take 1.11. So there is a change in light. So we with constant density throughout our experiment. Second factor, the most important factor, it is the temperature factor. So the refractive index, the liquid decreases as temperature increases. So the percentage ranging from 0.001 to 0.1%. So if a temperature refractive index of liquid decreases as temperature increases. So it is very important to control the temperature. So we use the thermostat for controlling the temperature. Next, the refractive index are given like this: NT 20. So here N, it is the refractive index, D is the density, and 20 temperature. So sodium D line, D it is the wavelength. So there is a two main factor: density and temperature, also wavelength. So for controlling the wavelength, we use the sodium discharge lamp. So we use the sodium discharge lamp for the source of illumination. Sodium lamp gives off yellow light in 589 wavelength, and generally we kept a 20 degree Celsius temperature constant for refractive index instrument, for calculating the refractive index or measuring the refractive index. So most common instrument used for the measuring refractive index is Abbe refractometer. So the instrument used for measuring the refractive index are called as refractometer. And there are many type of refractometer are available. Most commonly we use the Abbe refractometer. These refractometer have the common advantages. It is useful for sodium D line. The prism can be temperature control. Only a small sample is required. So for the only very few samples required for measuring the refractive index. A few drop of liquid. So this is the main refractometer instrument. So the instrument used for measuring the refractive index, it is known as refractometer. This is the Abbe refractometer. It is commonly used for purposes of measuring the refractive index. The principle of instrument we understand by using this drawing. So here a beam of light from a suitable source. Here this is the beam of light is come on the mirror M. So the beam of light is reflected from mirror M to prism P. This is the prism P, or the light is passed to the prism P, and here there are two prism are